On the menu, meatloaf, loaded potatoes with all the extras.
Onions, cheese, sour cream, bacon. Can't forget bacon.
Also for dinner, peas and carrots, rolls, and cobbler for dessert. And nobody beyond their teen years cooked it. Here's the result of a day of work at 4-H Chef Camp in Sevier County, where kids go from the microwave generation to competent cooks who can make a lot of different foods.
Sandwiches, paninis, grilled cheese, stuff like that.
You have to go to camp to learn to make grilled cheese?
Not really.
They feel good about what they've done, and each day at Chef Camp they actually work and prepare their own lunch.
The kids spend a good part of their day preparing the food, learning recipes, and all about food safety. But as supper approaches, it's time for another lesson, this one about community service. Now from the kitchen to the serving line. Here the young chefs dish it out as well as they can bake it. Perhaps the most important lesson taught in modern-day 4-H is about volunteerism, service learning projects, 4-H leaders call them.
I think it's important for kids to understand their community, see that there are needs in their community, and then if we can plug them into seeing how they can meet those needs, hopefully when they turn into adults and even before, they're going to find ways to model that.
Here's a prime example of that. The chef campers are donating what they prepared to the food bank for Sevier County's Smoky Mountain Area Rescue Ministry.
I've always enjoyed doing community service, just giving back to everybody who needs help. I've always been a big part of 4-H.
We can make the stuff and help out like the people who are needy or poor and they need a good home-cooked meal.
Supper ends as the cobbler is passed around. A crowd is fed and the youngsters get something from this too. They learn there are many different ways to serve, by actually handing someone a plate and by just giving what you can. This is Chuck Denney reporting.